Good morning, Hawks. Today's Friday, May 22nd, 2020. The weather outside today is a lot nicer than it has been. It's sunny out. It's kind of bright. It's really nice. We got a high of 66 degrees today. High of 66. Really good weather. It's supposed to be getting a little bit windy, but it's not supposed to be too crazy. So get out there, enjoy the sunshine. For lunch today, we're going to be having whatever it is that you have at your house, I guess. Make sure you are eating properly. If you live by Wajitas, make sure you walk over and get the lunch there that they are handing out by the bus loop or in the bus loop. There are still buses going out, so make sure you're taking advantage of that as well, and you're getting your lunch for yourself and your siblings. So, welcome to another edition of Garage Math with Mr. Garza. You were looking yesterday at nets and finding the surface area. Today you'll be finding the volume of three-dimensional shapes, which is the figure that you could have made or you could have envisioned when you folded up those nets from yesterday's lesson and the previous lesson. So today you will have 4 days to complete this. This won't be due until next Monday. So you have today and then all of the weekend. So you could do like 2 or 3 problems and then do 2 or 3 more problems. And there's a couple more problems. So there's 20 problems it looks like. And you can do 5 per day. Yeah, 20 problems there. So you could do 5 per day. So you could really take care of 5 problems a day and then move forward from there. The formula to find the volume, I have it written down right over here. Volume is base times the height times the width, or base times width times height. Either way you want to put it. Volume is the base times the height times the width. So here we have our shape. You can also be looking at fractions, so remember how to multiply fractions as well. So we got the base times the height times the width, and we could go ahead and get started now. They will always give you enough measurements that you need. So here we go. We'll go base times height. That's going to be 4.5 times 4.5 times 3. What we're looking at first, we got a mixed number here. We got to change the mixed number to an improper. Multiply the denominator with the whole number. That would be 8 plus 1 is 9. So we have 9 halves times that 3. We're going to put that over 1. So we have 9 halves times 3 over 1. Now we can multiply straight across. 9 times 3 now is going to be 27 over 2. That's the base and the height. Now we got to take this and multiply it by 7 1/3. So we have 27 over 2 times 7 1/3. I know I'm running out of room there on the camera, so I'm going to move that up here. So we have 27 over 2 times 22 over 3. Now again, we can multiply straight across. I know on the bottom we're going to get 6. I have been mentioning to a lot of students as well. If you had been logging into Zoom yesterday, I really highly appreciate you. What you read here, though, is that you could use your calculator. Calculator allowed. Calculator allowed. So if you hopefully have a calculator at home, or if you are using a Google calculator or a calculator online, that's also okay. Once you have the formula, you know what the formula is, it's alright to use a calculator to solve the rest there. So just to make it a little bit quicker, I'm just going to go 27. I got my calculator over here on my wife's car. 27 times 22. 27 times 22 gives me 594 over 6. That is an improper fraction, so I'd like for you to go ahead and change that to either a mixed number. Okay, usually is what it is. 594 divided by 6 Well, what happens here is it's going to be simplified, and that's just going to be 99. But we're going to get there, centimeters. Now it's going to be cubed because we're multiplying 3 different lengths. So that's how that's going to work. Again, remember, you can use a calculator if you need to. If you have any questions, again, I'll be up posting Zoom links online as well for you to get on there. I hope you have a wonderful day today, Friday. The weather's looking a little bit better than it has been the last few days, so get out, enjoy the weather. Don't forget to be logging in and doing your homework. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Mr. Hensley, Ms. Palmore, Mrs. Brunetti, let us know so that we could get the help that you need. I hope you have a wonderful Friday and an even better week. Go Hawks!